Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to zinc plate bolts at home. First, gather your materials, including zinc anodes, an electrolyte solution, and a power supply. Safety is paramount, so ensure you have proper ventilation and wear gloves and eye protection. Before plating, meticulously clean your bolts to remove any rust, grease, or old coatings. This crucial step ensures a strong, even zinc bond. Now, let's set up your plating bath. Carefully mix your electrolyte solution according to the manufacturer's guidelines. Next, connect your zinc anode to the positive terminal of your DC power supply. Then, suspend your thoroughly cleaned bolts in the solution, ensuring they are connected to the negative terminal. Maintain good spacing between the bolts and the anode for optimal results. With your setup ready, it's time to begin plating. Apply a low voltage, generally between 1 and 3 volts, to start the process. The plating time can vary, but typically takes 30 to 60 minutes for a durable coating. Watch for an even, bright zinc layer forming on your bolts. Adjust the voltage slightly if needed to maintain a steady, controlled reaction. Once plating is complete, carefully remove your bolts from the solution. Rinse them thoroughly with clean water to wash away any residual chemicals. Then, dry them completely to prevent water spots and ensure the zinc coating is pristine. For even greater protection and a golden hue, consider applying a chromate conversion coating. Your newly plated bolts are now ready for use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.